Well, good day, smart traders. I trust each and every one of you are ready for another profitable day within the market. Let's kick things off by having a look at today's economic calendar.
Today's economic calendar seems to still be on long weekend, as there's nothing really significant being reported today. However, things are set to heat up from tomorrow onwards.
Let's move on by having a look at what's making headlines within the financial markets today.
In currency news, profit-taking dampened a dollar surged against the yen on Friday, but the buck ended higher and still lodged the biggest weekly gain since early December, as the Japanese currency remained on the defensive after the Bank of Japan governor repeated that the central bank will maintain its ultra-low monetary policy. Spectators bet that the BOJ, the last major central bank to still employ a loose monetary policy, is edging towards a shift to a tighter stance. That has driven a rally in the yen that has pushed the dollar-yen pair down by 14% in the past 3 months. Data on Friday showed that the core consumer price index in December rose 4% from a year earlier, double the BOJ's target. Japan now has an inflation problem that it hasn't had in nearly 40 years. Now let's move over and see what's making headlines on Wall Street. US indices were trading in a tight range this morning, following a mixed week as market participants digested slowing economic data, a lower US dollar index, and falling yields ahead of major tech earnings. Earnings season is set to heat up this week with companies such as Microsoft, IBM, Tesla, Visa, Intel, and Chevron set to report results. Now let's head over to commodities. Oil prices edged lower from a recent rally this morning as traders awaited more cues on an economic recovery in China and a potential US recession. Although Asian trading volumes were slim as most markets were closed due to the Lunar New Year holiday in the region, this event will last for the entire week, which is expected to keep volumes slim for the remainder of the week during the Asian session. Gold prices rose slightly this morning, trading close to a 9-month high, as markets awaited more US data this week to gauge whether the world's largest economy is facing a potential recession in 2023. Trading volumes in the metal market were also relatively smaller at the beginning of the week amid the market holidays in several Asian countries. Finally, let's move over to cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin has pulled a little lower, with the world's largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization last changing hands just under 22,500, down about 1.5% on the day. That means Bitcoin has now pulled about 4% lower versus the weekly highs it printed on Saturday in the mid-23,000s. Profit taking is being cited as the main driver on Sunday's drop, though reports that international payment processor SWIFT is set to block US transactions to Binance that is below $100,000 might also be weighing. This move by SWIFT is expected to make it far more difficult for retail investors to buy cryptocurrencies on the world's most widely used exchange, as it removes an important fiat to crypto on-ramp.
So that is it from us here at Smart Online Trader. Should you be interested in any additional services that we offer, kindly get in touch with us or simply click on one of the links in the description below. As always, may the force be with you. Cheers.